When it comes to working out, a lot of us have that burden or perhaps that stress on our shoulders where we just don't seem to have enough time in the day. Whether it's down to work, travelling from place to place, or perhaps looking after the kids. However, that begs to ask the question, how long or how many times a week does it take for perhaps a male or female over the age of 30 or perhaps over the age of 40 to lose weight? Let's discuss that here on Exchange for Gains.
Exchange for Gains.
What's going on, people, and welcome to another episode of Exchange for Gains. My name is Deron. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber or perhaps you're returning back to my channel, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss how many times a week does it take in order for a male or perhaps a female over the age of 30 years old to lose weight. Whether you're 180 pounds, 160 pounds, or perhaps you're 195 pounds. How long or how many times a week does it take in order for you to lose body fat? Losing weight after the age of 30 or 40 can be extremely challenging, to say the least, especially if you're someone who works Monday to Friday 9 to 5. However, despite all the obstacles and challenges that lay in front of us, we can still lose weight by applying the following methods. Try to work out on an average 3 days per week, focusing on a different muscle group per session. Conduct a push, pull and leg split workout combined with a 45-minute incline treadmill brisk pace walk. By the way, my good people, if you're feeling this channel or if you find it informative, please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to subscribe right about now. I'll be uploading content on not only a weekly but also on a daily basis, every other day that is. So if you have not subscribed and you're new to the channel, check out my other videos and make sure you subscribe today. After work, try to go for daily walks, jogs or perhaps run. Your target really is to try and increase your step count by 1,000 steps per day if and where possible. Try to set yourself a daily target of getting between 10 and 15,000 steps in per day. Now, I know this is going to be extremely challenging if you're someone who works 9 to 5 basically in the office sitting in front of a computer all day. Some days you might get 6k, some days you might get 7k. However, the aim is to try and stay active at all times. Yes, perhaps on your lunch break, all you want to do is relax due to the fact that you've had a busy morning. However, if you can go for a 45-minute walk, again, that counts as your step count. By combining your 3 days per week on an average workout with your daily step count between 10,000 and 50,000 steps per day, if you add this final last tip to those 2 points that I've just given you, you are guaranteed, more or less, you are bound to lose body fat or you are bound to lose weight, regardless if you're over 30 or perhaps 40. It's vital that you ensure that you're eating within a caloric deficit. If you're new to losing weight, make sure you're tracking your foods. Don't estimate the weight or the amount of intake you're consuming, because 9 times out of 10, you'll be getting it wrong, which will result in you not losing any weight or body fat. All 3 pointers which I have just given you are vital when it comes to losing any form of weight or body fat. Ensure that you try to aim on an average of 3 times per week. If you can do more, fantastic. However, nowadays we've got to be realistic. Sometimes when you're over the age of 30 or 40, especially if you have kids as well, it's not always easy to work out or go to the gym. So if you can aim for 3 times a week, get those steps in, whether it's on your lunch break or perhaps walking home. And not only that, making sure that you're in a caloric deficit, you will be on your way to success, whether you're 120 pounds, 150 pounds, 220 pounds, whatever your weight is, perhaps if you're male or female, you will lose weight. Okay, my good people, that is all from me for today. If you're feeling this channel like I previously said before, please make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials. The name is Deron Official. The link's literally below. And until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, get those gains.
Exchange for Gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.